Down. Take it up there to eat it. Yes, you had crab fluffies. Lucifer just showed up. Water dish was empty. I filled it back up. It's going to be triple digits today. I'll be topping it off when we do our return trip to be sure she's got plenty of water. Dry food was empty, so that's filled up again. Yeah, just after I filled it up, she was there, and I allow her to have a couple bites of dry food, and then I shush her out so that she can get her treats. Okay, she ate some of the Friskies first, and then she's working on the greenies now. Yes, she's a good girl. And the sun is coming over the hilltop and on the eastern hills. And we have two great white egrets out with the horses this morning. One's there, one's over here. Just a brief one because the two great white egrets are still over with the horses that are grazing. We've walked a little further south. One of them's walking behind one of the horses. We've got several horses here on the hillside this morning. There's the other one. I got a little further south, the same two great white egrets out with the horses. Anyway, they're over there. We were greeted at the entrance of Alvisa Adobe Park by the entire turkey flock. The two males are all puffed up and tail spread open. Jay's tossing out mealworms and they're scurrying to get them. Yeah, in fact he had two of the chicks, juveniles, approach him real close because they know he carries the good stuff. Yeah. Okay, well, we're going to get stuff set up since we got a crew here waiting to have breakfast. Oh. Good morning. Yes, good morning. Do they even care for... Got a house sparrow over in the rabbit area. It's a male. It's eating the cracked corn. White-crowned sparrow. The bunnies that were here left. Maybe they'll come back now that the food's all out. Oh, second white crown. They're just starting to trickle back from being gone for breeding time during the spring. So they took their spring break and they're coming back a few at a time. Turkeys returned. They'd gone out to the cul-de-sac and now they're back. You guys ready for breakfast?
After we collected cameras and everything, then the turkeys showed up. They had been wandering down in El Viso Adobe Court. The two toms bringing up the tail into the parade. They were all puffed up on display and then realized, you know, we better hurry up and get to the food.
Bunches of great white egrets on this hillside this morning. Here 3. 4. 5. Up where the horses are grazing above Whispering Hills Ranch. Can't get them all in a group photo, but I'm going to unzoom. Okay. Our 2 Peacocks, I believe, at Whispering Hills Ranch. And on our return, Collie is here at the Lutheran Church. Go ahead. She'll back up because, well, Jay's there. So far, not too far. Okay. Oh, now she backs up. Well, but she was there for a moment. Just about finished, so she'll be heading over when he walks away. Okie dokes. And there we go. Good to see you, Collie. We'll see you the next time. One of the Peacocks over at Whispering Hills Ranch. Handsome bird.
And I don't know if this is one of the young ones or one of the adult peafowl. Last we saw of the peacocks, they had molted their tail. Oh, the ones Kathy recorded are gone. Okay.
We're back at Fluffy's, and she hadn't eaten all her treats, and Jay's giving her a few more. Just goes. Good morning. Okie dokies. I'll be checking on your water, Fluffy, because it's going to be a hot, hot, hot day, and I want you to hopefully find some shade.